Ogo mos nyasaye mondo mi okechunye kamo kwe mos ne anyuola kod familia mar Kran. Kwa mga jongo Ogai mar doho maduong' mapacho ka Martha Koome okwa jodak ma Transmara e kaunti ma Narok mondo mi okaw thuolo mar chwalo buche gi e doho mochung' ne aluora gi lowo manosidhi ayanga odiochieng' manyoro. Kolose kinde manosidhi ayanga doho mabiro tiyo kod teko machieng'. Koome wacho ni doho makamagi kelo machiegni kod jopiny mar kelo yot e yalo buche ma ok yali buche mamoko. Koome no ten kod jotelo mawuok e kaunti ma Narok kamoting'o gavana ma kaunti no Patrick Ole Ntutu kama wacho ni doho no biro kelo yot e yalo buche ne jodak ma Transmara.
If my people who are called by my name humble them.
PJ Washe of Kilgoris ELC, registrars and directors present.
Kilgoris lies approximately 177 kilometers from Narok town, and far too long this distance has forced litigants to endure long and costly journeys. So that is why we thought it's better to have the Kilgoris Environment and Land Court brought closer to the people of Transmara. Our goal is that no Kenyan should travel more than 100 kilometers to access justice.
By bringing the judiciary closer to the people, we are taking a significant step towards implementing a fundamental right under Article 48 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010, which provides that the state shall ensure access to justice for all persons, and if any fee is required, it shall be reasonable and shall not impede access to justice.
We as Parliament recognize the duty that the judiciary is performing. And whereas we demand even higher standards from the courts, we also know that you demand of us who are in Parliament that you should have the resources